everybody, this is Micah Bowers with Life Proof Boats. Today we're on a 31-foot GT coupe and we have the 8612xsv display from Garmin. We're going to walk through how to create a combo on this display so that you can have it set up the way you want to for how you're using the boat on that day, and it'll be a favorite for you that you can go back to using. Maybe you're back to pulling shrimp pots or crab pots one day and you have a combo that you like when you're doing that activity. You can save it and you can use it anytime you want. So jump on board here and we'll take a quick look at how to get to that area, set something up, and have it saved. So here we're on a traditional navigation chart display. We're just going to go to Home, and then we're going to go to Combos on the right. You can see here it's got a few preloaded combos. If we want to add a combo, we go to Menu, we go to Add Combo. You can edit one, you can delete one, you can rearrange, you can add to favorites, or you can adjust your background. We're going to add a combo right now. This is the way that it pulls it up in the beginning. If you want to change the name of the combo, you can change the name of your combo. We're going to go to Favorite Combo for fishing.
That's like this, Tavis. Look how fast they're going.
Done. If you want to change the layout, you can go to Change Layout here, and you have a lot of different options. You can go up to a 6x6 if you really need to have 6 different pieces of information on your display at once. For fishing, we're going to go to a traditional 4. Right now, we're looking at adding one to that box, and you can choose what you want to add. We're going to go to sonar, and you've got all the different sonars you can choose. We're going to go to water temp, because water temp is important as we play with the depth. Then we're going to go to sonar. We're going to look at traditional. We'll go to sonar again. We're going to look at side view. And then lastly, we'll go to sonar and we'll look at down view. And we can adjust this to maximize the display data that is most important to us. So let's say water temp is not as important, but we do want to watch it. And traditional, we'll leave it like this. Side view, we'll leave it like that. And once we have it the way we want it, we hit done, and there it is. In this case, we don't have the simulator for that source, but it doesn't matter. It shows you exactly what you want to see. If we go to Home, Favorite Fish is listed right there under Combos, and as you navigate around, when you go back to Combos, it'll be there, and you could use it every time. If you want to go to your favorites and add it to your favorites, you can go Add to Favorites. You choose that combo, and now when you go up to favorites, it's listed under favorites. And it's a shortcut way to do it. And you can favorite anything you want. So if you just want traditional and you want to add to favorites traditional, then you can do that right there, and traditional is under favorites. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. If you have any more questions about this display, please email us. Go to lifeproofboats.com, send us a contact form. Happy to answer any more questions you have about this display. Thanks so much. Take care.